To use an Apple gift card for Spotify, you first need to understand that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase items from the App Store, iTunes Store, or Apple Books. Since Spotify is available on the App Store, you can use your Apple gift card to purchase a Spotify subscription. Start by opening the App Store on your Apple device and signing in with your Apple ID. Then navigate to the Spotify app page and click the Get button next to the app icon. If you already have the app installed, you will see an Open button instead, so click that to launch the app. Once the Spotify app is open, tap the Premium tab at the bottom of the screen and select Get Premium. You will then be presented with the available subscription options, including individual, duo, and family plans. Choose the plan that suits your needs and click Continue. On the next screen, you will be asked to confirm your purchase. Since you want to use your Apple gift card, make sure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID that has the gift card balance. Review the subscription details and click Confirm to proceed with the purchase. If you have sufficient gift card balance, the purchase will be deducted from your Apple gift card. If the balance is insufficient, you will be prompted to add a payment method to cover the remaining amount. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive a confirmation email from Apple and your Spotify Premium subscription will be activated. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used for subscription purchases if you have a sufficient balance to cover the full cost of the subscription. Additionally, ensure that your Apple ID region matches the region where you purchased the gift card, as gift cards are only redeemable in the country where they were purchased. By following these steps, you can easily use your Apple gift card to purchase a Spotify subscription and enjoy ad-free music, offline playback, and other premium features.